So hi guys, so you can see all these goats. There are different types of goats. As you can see. Yeah. Okay. So this is a goat farm. So you can see how it looks from outside. Wonderful. Actually, there are different types of breeds, and buck also are available. So I have little bit knowledge about this breeds, so I'm going to introduce about different types of breeds. So I'm going inside. Actually, all these breeds right now they are eating. Yeah. So I'm going inside. See. Actually, this one you can see. This one is Sirohi. This one is Sirohi breed. Yeah. So this type of goat, it's called Sirohi. This one is also Sirohi. Yes. So and this breed is called, you can see this one. Yes, this breed is called Barbari. So this one is Barbari. Yes, you can see how Barbari looks. Yes, all those are Barbari breeds. And I'm going to show you Barbari buck. There is Barbari buck also available. So this one is Barbari buck. And those are Barbari breeds. You can see. And you can see this one. Yes, yeah, I'm talking about this breed. So this breed, actually it is called Kota breed. It is like different type. It looks stronger. Yeah, see, this is Kota breed. So we have available beetle breed also. So it is inside. So I am going to inside also. I'm going inside, so I will show you the beetle breed also. So before going inside, I'm going to show you Sirohi buck. Yes. See, this one is Sirohi buck. Sirohi buck is also available here. You can see, yeah. And one more types of breed is also available. So you can see this one. Yeah, this one is African boar breed. Yeah, this is African boar. And African boar buck also is available, and this one is buck. Yeah, I think so they almost have eaten their food. So now it's time to go inside. Yeah, I'm moving inside. So let's have a look. So it's how it looks inside. So see the place. Yeah, it looks beautiful. You can see, and inside there is also many breeds here also, and sufficient place for those gods which are outside. So I'm going to show you beetle, how beetle looks. So I'm going inside. So, as you can see, this man is doing all the works for those breeds. Yeah, he's old but not that much, so this man is doing good work. So this one is beetle. Yes, this is beetle. As you can see, it is very bigger in size. See this one. Yeah, so different types of breeds and buck are available here, as you can see. And you can see in this place there are many pillars are there. So actually the owner of this goat farm is going to make a wooden floor. So after making the wooden floor, they will not be in the contact of soil, so they will be safe in winter season. So you can see how they are eating. And this is a upper view of this goat farm. So guys, actually yesterday was Diwali, so I forgot to wish you all for Diwali. So happy Diwali. It's belated Diwali, but happy Diwali. Okay. Okay, fine. So I have introduced all the varieties of goat available here. As you can see how they are playing. Yeah, yeah. Actually they have eaten the food, so it's time for playing. So after some time they will be inside.